In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a video project in Canva. To do that, you want to go ahead and just open up Canva and you will see video from these beautiful icons at the top. Click in video, you can choose the video style that you want. So that could be mobile, Instagram, screen record, or even just a regular landscape video. Just go ahead and click on it and your video project will be now created. And so from here, you can start by adding your videos. You can upload your videos. As you can see on the left side, you have upload. You can add your files from here, or you can use some of the video files that is already in Canva. Just look for video on the side and you can use the videos that are there, and you can always search for whatever you want as well. Once you find a video that you like, click on it and it's going to add to your timeline, or you can go ahead and drag the video onto this blank canvas right here, the blank page, and it's going to add the video as well. Doing it like that though, you will have to resize it to fit the page size. But that's it, and you can always go ahead and trim it the way you want, add more, and so forth and so forth. But that's it.